Hello and welcome to my channel, Simply Explained. My name is Sima. Our topic is computer. Before computers became popular, people played games, watched videos, and listened to audio using a variety of different technologies. Here are some examples. Games. Video games were played on dedicated game consoles. These consoles were connected to a TV. Videos. Before computers, people watched videos on VHS tapes. VHS tapes could be played on VCRs connected to a TV. Movie theaters were also a popular way to watch videos. Audios. People used to listen to music on cassette tapes, which they played on cassette or record players or on stereo systems. Computer can perform a wide variety of activities, including playing games, watching videos, and listening to audio, all in one machine. Here are some examples of how computers have combined these activities. Games. Computers can run video games, which can range from simple games like Solitaire or Minesweeper to complex games like World of Warcraft or Fortnite. Videos. Computers can play videos in a variety of formats, including DVDs, streaming services like Netflix or YouTube, or locally saved files. With the right hardware, computers can also display video on large screens, making them a popular choice for home theater setups. Audios. Computers can play audio in a variety of formats as well, including MP3, WAV, and more. They can also be used to create and edit music, making them a popular tool for musicians and audio professionals. In addition to these activities, computers can also be used for a wide variety of other tasks, including word processing, web browsing, email, and much more. The versatility of computers is one of the reasons they have become such an integral part of modern life, and can be simply defined as a computer is an electronic machine that is designed to solve problems. This is a generic definition that could be applied to other machines as well. Many electronic devices are designed to perform specific tasks and solve certain types of problems. Computer also works similar to any other machine. Let's take an example of washing machine. Here is an example of how a washing machine that solves our problem of cleaning dirty clothes using 3 steps. Input. Washing machine takes dirty clothes, water and detergent as an input. Process. Washing machine process by spinning. Output. The output of a washing machine is clean clothes. Similarly, computer works in 3 basic steps: input, process, and output. Similarly, computer works in 3 basic steps: input, process, and output. Input. This is the first step where the computer takes our problem-related information, that is data and instruction, through various input devices like a keyboard, mouse, microphone, or other input devices. This data can be in the form of text, images, sounds, or other types of information that the computer can understand. Process. In this step, the computer processes the given data on the basis of instructions. Output. After processing the data, the computer produces output in a format that can be understood by the user. This output can be in the form of text, images, sounds, or other types of information. It may be displayed on the computer screen, printed on paper, or stored in a file for later use. Let's take few examples to understand data, instruction, and information. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The numbers 2 and 2 can be considered as data because they represent raw facts and figures. The plus can be considered as instruction because it's provide guidance on how to manipulate the data, the numbers, to obtain a result. The number 4 is information, as it is our result. In the context of a game player controlling a fighter jet shooting at tanks, here is a description of the relevant terms. Data. Data refers to the raw information to represent the state of the game. This could include the positions of the tanks, the location and altitude of the fighter jet, the speed and direction of the jet and tanks, the type of weapons the jet has, and so on. Instruction. Instructions are the commands given to the game by the player. For example, the instruction to fire a missile by the player pressing a specific button. The game then interprets this instruction and take appropriate action, such as launching the missile at the designated location. Process. The process refers to the series of steps taken by the game carry out the instruction. In the case of shooting at tanks, this would involve calculating the trajectory of the missile, checking for collisions with obstacles or other tanks. Information. Information is the output generated by the game as a result of the process. This could include feedback to the player on the success of their shot, such as a visual display of the damage inflicted on the tank, or an audio cue indicating a hit. The information could also include updates to the game state, such as a decrease in the number of tanks remaining, an increase in the player's score, or a notification that the player has completed a mission objective. Data. Data can be defined as raw facts and figures. Data is a problem-related information. When we collect data, we are often trying to address a problem. Instruction. An instruction is a set of steps that tells a computer processor what operation to perform, what data to use, and how to manipulate that data. Each instruction is a specific command or operation that is executed by the processor, and the sequence of instructions in a program determines how the program operates and what output it produces. Information. Information can be thought of as the result of processing or analyzing data in order to extract meaning or insights. When data is collected, organized, and analyzed in a meaningful way, it can be transformed into useful information that can be used to support decision-making or other activities. Is an electronic machine which takes data, an instruction, as an input, process the data on the basis of instruction, and produce information as an output.